My name is Nur Nabiha binti Arifin and my registration number is 01DPU18F1047. I'm gonna start with introduction. The title of the project is Green Wall Air Circulation. A problem statement. The problem related in the third world today is the rise of asthmatic patients, respiratory problem as well as chronic disease caused by the environment around us. Nowadays, every house in Malaysia is built into an airtight condition that will circulate the same air that containing carbon dioxide from human and not allow fresh air entering the house. Thus, the lack of oxygen will cause a person to fall asleep easily. In so, each house needs at least an air conditioner to comfort them. Commonly, air conditioner is installed in house. This is because the unit takes up small space. Normally, special air conditioner that using high efficiency particulate air HEPA filter is high cost because it can catch 99% particle that get into the system. Normal air conditioner can produce an oxygen and fresh air. So our team want to produce the air purifier which can reducing all type of indoor air pollution, low cost and natural that using plant as a biofilter. Normal plant usually can live in pot that contain medium and nutrient, but our team using the special plant which can live by using nutrient water as a medium. At the end, our project also can produce the art because the plant may provide to be apart with other decoration inside the house. The objective of the project: to design the green wall air circulation, to develop the body and biofilter of the green wall air circulation, to ensure the fan release clean air back to the environment, to develop the water pump to circulate the water in the system, to develop the control system that can generate green wall air circulation, and lastly, to investigate the performance of the green wall air circulation. Next is the scope. The scope of this project is to develop an air filter to neutralize fresh air and filter out chemical in the air by using plant as a biofilter to provide oxygen and clean air, enough to purify up to 40 meters square of air. Plants used as a biofilter are golden photos, suitable for tropical weather in Malaysia and use nutrient water as a growth medium. The progress of water circulation operates for 10 minutes 2 times a day. The maximum weight for casing and tank is 20 kg with water, while weight for casing and tank without water is 10 kg. A fan is a powered machine used to create flow to transfer an oxygen and fresh air return to the environment. A fan consists of a rotating arrangement of vanes or blades which act on the air. Filtered fresh air is released into the environment by using 24-volt cooling fan. The literature review. We usually use golden photos plant as a biofilter. This plant is one of the easiest plants to grow and actually thrive on low light. These plants serve to purify the air of benzene, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide while also helping eliminate odors. The procedure of air purification by potted plant. Many research of work have confirmed that the plant remove carbon dioxide through photosynthesis. Recent technology advancements have led to the development of active botanical biofilter, or functional green wall, which are becoming increasingly efficient. The fan used to transfer filtered air to the environment. Indoor air is absorbed through the plant root and the soilless growth medium. The microbe of the root purify the air of harmful chemical. The fan returns the pure and neutralized air back into the room. Water pump function is to move water and nutrient up to the green wall hydroponic system. Typically, for indoor green wall, water is circulate for 7 to 10 minutes 2 times per day.
My name is Muhammad Shazwi Kusnaizi bin Muhammad Hanif, and my metric number is 01DPU18F1046. Let's continue to the methodology for this project. First thing first, let's talk about design. Design is the most important part for the project. For design of our project, we want to make it easier for the community to breathe fresh air. This design we make it by using the AutoCAD. some position of component have been changed and there are a few additions. For example, the position of piping and fan. We add the trolley to make it easier to move, and we add the wiring to the water pump and fan. The material we use to filter dirty air is the golden photos plant species, because this plant is able to filter dirty air naturally. And now we talk about how we collect the data. The tool we use is a CO2 meter that is able to detect the amount of carbon dioxide around us. Okay, I will continue to the estimate cost of the main material used to complete the entire project. The material we use are acrylic board, which cost 300 ringgit, 3 fan at 38 ringgit each, water pump which cost 55 ringgit, acrylic glue which cost 30 ringgit, then a plastic pot worth 2 ringgit, about 9 unit, wire worth 2 ringgit, golden photos 3 worth 12 ringgit for 1 unit, not forgetting the sandpaper, screw and head plugs which cost 1 ringgit, 2 ringgit and 2 ringgit 50 cent respectively. And for the total is 574 ringgit and 50 cents.
My name is Ahmad Faib Abdul Rahman, matric number 01DPU18F1056. I want to present about data and analysis. My analysis is the use of horizontal and vertical greening has an important impact on the thermal performance of buildings and on the effect of the urban environment as well. Plants are functioning as a solar filter and prevent the adsorption of heat radiation of building material extensively. In this study and analysis of the effect on airflow and air surface temperature of vertical greening system on the building level is presented. We have measured CO2 according to a certain time in room with air conditioning, and the result show CO2 at ppm is higher, C12-545-430 compared to room with green wall of 493-390 and 320. Okay, we go to result and data. We have taken data at different place and time. The place is surrounding air conditioned room and green wall. The time we took was 30, 60 and 90 minutes. In surrounding, we got 671 ppm in the first 30 minutes, 566 ppm in 60 minutes, and 559 ppm at 90 minutes. At the air conditioned place, we get 920 ppm at the first minute, 545 ppm at the second minute, and the last one is 430 ppm at the last 90 minutes. At the green wall place, we have recorded 493 ppm at 30 minutes, 390 ppm at 60 minutes, and 320 ppm at 90 minutes. And that's all. We got the data. Thank you.
Okay, thank you my friend Faik. So for my parts, my name's Muhammad Zalfitri bin Zaki, ID number 01DPU18F1045. So for the discussion, based on the result and data, we have discussed that environment surrounding have highest pollution. With our project, we hope that air pollution will decrease in community. Indoor air quality can be better to in future and nowadays. In recommendation, we hope the project will more efficient, modern and portable in the future. In conclusion, overall, this project has been complete and achieved all the objectives brilliantly. Although the progress have many problems to be with COVID-19, our teams can't work together to make it proper as we designed. But at the end, we tried to make it 100% complete with the support from our family, lecturer and supervisor, friends. In future, we hope this project will produce more benefits to refresh air effectively, modern and easy to use for community. Furthermore, this project can benefit the community to stay at home and breathe fresh air and stop spread of COVID-19 at all. That's all. Thank you.